Hi, welcome to a new section about AWS Cost Optimization's Masterclass, and this time it will be saving on committing. This section should be quite easy to understand and to fix. So I will introduce first commitments, which are basically a contract between AWS and you. AWS commitments are pricing model that can help reduce your bill up to 72% in exchange of a 1 or 3 years commitment. So it can be optimized, meaning you have more savings by committing to a longer term, up to 3 years, paying all upfront, and being specific in the definition of the service or resources covered. Commitments can be shared with a set of AWS accounts within the same organization, and they can be reviewed through AWS billings in savings and commitments section. So you have multiple commitment types. You have reserved instance, RIs, and savings plans, SP. For reserved instances, you can use ADS, EC2, which is a null way, so I would not recommend this, but you can also cover Redshift, Elasticache, OpenSearch, MemoryDB, and DynamoDB. And you have, for SP, you have EC2, Fargate, Lambda, and SageMaker. So this is one example here for a compute savings plan of 3 years. So you can see here that for our instance type C5.large, you normally pay this rate here. But if you use that compute savings plan, you're going to save 52% and you're going to pay this much hourly.